Well, good morning. It's Saturday, the 23rd of January. It's 8:39 a.m. Oh, look at the snow. It is coming down. Last night we had a freezing mix, but this morning it's back to all snow, and they're calling for about 5 more inches of snow. As you can see, that little couple, whatever you want to say, we put out there yesterday, my little girl, it is now about covered up. You can see the little birds out about. Where my wife took care of the bird feeder yesterday. We have the birds out in the feeder. Oh, there's even one on the deck. It is coming down nice and steady. Wind's still blowing a little bit though. That's probably cutting down some of the accumulations. All right. What I'm going to do now is take you around to the front. Oh, look at the bird. All right, well, I'm going to take you to the front now. All right. We are back now. I'm in the front. A little snowman still hanging in there, and of course, Ladybug, she's doing her thing out here this morning. You can definitely see a lot of snow on the, not a lot, but some on the front porch. You hear a chime, hear the wind blowing through the trees. Now you can see the frozen part. Last night we had the freezing mix. Ladybug is not sinking through the snow. Oh, she's going to the bathroom. And you see my son's vehicles and my wife's red car. You see the snow and the freezing mix that's been on them all night. So it is beautiful. Say hello, Ladybug. All right, we'll send you another video later. Be careful.